Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install isort in Python on Windows 11. Isort is a tool that automatically sorts and organizes Python imports. So let's get started. First, we are going to make sure that Python and pip are correctly installed on your system. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon, then type cmd in the search. Once the command prompt appears, click on it. When the command prompt opens, you are going to type Python space hyphen version, and then you are going to type pip space hyphen version. Hit enter again. Do not worry if Python or pip are not recognized. I have created separate videos on how to install Python 3.14 on Windows 11 and how to install pip on Windows 11. I have given the links to those videos in the description box. Go check them out and then come back to this video. But if you see the versions of both Python and pip after running these commands, you are good to go. Now, to keep things clean, we are going to create a Python project folder. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it anywhere you want. So just type mkdir and the name of the folder. Let's call it isort_project. Hit enter. And once this command runs, a folder like this will be created. You can see isort_project has been created on my desktop. Now, you are going to go inside this project folder using the cd command. We are now going to create a virtual environment inside this project folder. A virtual environment keeps your project's libraries separate, so one project never messes with another. The command to create a virtual environment is very simple. It will be Python space -m venv and the name of the virtual environment. Let's call it isort_venv. Hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. There you go. The virtual environment isort_venv has been created successfully. You can check its creation by running the dir command. Now let's activate this virtual environment. So the command will be isort_venv \scripts, that's with capital S, \activate. Hit enter, and you can see the virtual environment has become active. Now let's install the isort library. So the command will be pip install isort. Hit enter. You can see the installation has begun. And it ended very quickly. And it says successfully installed isort 7.0.0. Let's now verify the installation of isort. So let's open a new file called isort_sample.py, and we are going to open it in Notepad. Here we are going to write 3 imports. So let's import sys, let's import OS as well, and let's import requests. Let's save it and go back to the command prompt. We are now going to run isort on this file isort_sample.py and see what isort does to this file. Hit enter. Okay, it says fixing isort_sample.py. Let's see what it has fixed. Let's open the file again in Notepad. If you remember, import OS was our second import. Now it has moved above import sys. You can also see that there is a gap between import sys and import requests. Basically, import requests has moved to a different section. What isort does, it organizes imports alphabetically and separates them into sections to improve code readability. But the point is that we have successfully installed isort. Now, we are going to go back to the command prompt and deactivate the virtual environment because that's a very good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install isort in Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.